welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are diving into some powerful concepts in Python's object-oriented programming world: inheritance, polymorphism, and method overriding. Don't worry, I will make it simple, fun, and super beginner friendly. Ready to code smarter? Let's go! Here's our roadmap. We will start by understanding inheritance, then move into its different types. We will look at how polymorphism makes our code flexible and how method overriding gives us control. We will learn all this with coding examples, so without wasting any time, let's dive into the video. First topic: what is inheritance? Inheritance is a Python's way of saying don't repeat yourself. It lets a new class use everything from an existing class, just like getting your parents' Netflix account but adding your own profile. It saves time, avoids repetition, and makes your code looks clean and professional. Going to see types of inheritance. In Python, inheritance isn't one size fits all. You have got single inheritance where one child takes from one parent class, which is very basic stuff. But then there's multiple inheritance, one child class learning from multiple parent classes. Next we have multiple inheritance. That's like a child class inheriting from a parent class which got it from a grandparent class, a chain of wisdom. The next inheritance we have is hierarchical inheritance. Think one parent class but many child classes, all learning from the same source. And finally, hybrid inheritance. It's like a full-on family reunion in your code. Now let's see the example of inheritance topic. So let me define my parent class and I just wanted to print a simple statement. Animals make sounds, and I am going to define a child class. To define a child class, you have to consider the child class, and inside that you have to write the parent class name. This is the concept of inheritance. Now I wanted to print another simple statement. So now I'm creating an object that is dog. In general, what we do is we declare object for both classes, but here I have inherited. It means that I will get directly access to my parent class with the help of my child class. But be careful, first always give the priority to the print statements present in the parent class, then come to the child class. Directly with the help of dog, which is child class, I am getting an access to the parent class statement as well. That is the specialty of inheritance. Let's see the output. Here you can see both the statements got printed without an error. If you want examples for other types of inheritance as well, please comment down below. Polymorphism. Polymorphism sounds technical, but it's actually pretty chill. It's just a fancy way of saying the same function name can do different things depending on the object. Think of polymorphism like ordering tea. In India, you get masala chai. In Japan, green tea. In the UK, black tea with milk. Same way, it means one function name, multiple behaviors. Let us understand with an example. Now coming to the polymorphism topic. First, I have created my parent class. I have named it as bird. In that, I have considered two methods. One is intro and one is fly. After that, I have created a child class with I have named it as parrot, which is being inherited from the parent class that is bird. You can clearly see that I have used same method in both parent class as well as child class, and basically I'm overriding the statement. The work of polymorphism is same method but different behavior. For that, let's see how this actually works because I have given same method name to both my classes.
So we have to create the object for all three. After creating, you will get an access to use the same method for all the classes. But all the classes will print different statements which is present in there. Let's run this code. Here you can see, though I have created same methods for all the classes, but I have given different print statements, right? Here you can see same method has been used, but different print statements have been printed here. This is how polymorphism works.
Method overriding. Okay, so inheritance gives us stuff from the parent class, but what if we don't like how something works? That's where method overriding comes in. You just redefine the method in the child class and boom, it behaves your way. It's like customizing your burger, same base, your own flavor. It is super function. Now, this is where it gets cool with super. You can call a method from the parent class even after overriding it. It's like saying, hey, I have got my own version, but let's also use the OG version too. Super handy, super powerful, and totally intended. Let us understand with an example.
Now let me explain you method overriding and super in one code and you will understand it better. Let me first create a parent class in which I have simply want to print a printing statement. I have considered a show method. Here you can see I have created my parent class. Next I will create my child class which is being inherited from the parent class. And here you can see I have written same method again, which means I have override the show method. But I also want my parent statement to print in this. For that we are using super. Then I want my child class to print bye. Now let us create an object. We will create object only for the child class, not for the parent class. Like how we did for the polymorphism, we will not do that again. What will this do? First, it will improvise the show method, but because we are using super, it will first give priority to the parent class, then the child class statement will get printed. Let's see the code. Whenever you are using same method name, you can use super to print the parent class statement as well. First parent class statement will be printed and then child class statement will be printed. But I have used the same method. So show is used to improvise the statement which I have been using the child class. Along with that, I have also given priority to the parent class. This is how method overriding plus super function works. I hope you have understood.
And that's wrap on object-oriented programming and inheritance in Python. We covered classes, objects, and saw how inheritance works from single to hybrid. And we have also seen polymorphism, method overriding, etc. Hope this helped clear your concepts. If you liked it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until then, bye.